kaya sinasabi rin nilang lahat, parang finally. Kasi 10 years, magta-10 years na kami this April. So parang hindi naman sa long overdue because wala naman tayong sinusunod na rules dyan na dapat by year ganito kasal na kayo. Pero it's an overwhelming feeling. Sabi ko nga lahat ng emosyon, parang lahat ng emosyon ngayon nararamdaman ko. Kaya hindi ko na ma-focusan ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Pero yeah, it's an overwhelming feeling kasi I'm feeling everything all at once. Pero nangingibabaw of course yung happiness. Happiness na finally hala, pinapaiyak mukha mo ako. Alam ko yung ginagawa mo, ha? Alam ko yung ginayari ka kay Ate Yo na pag ako umiyak. I just can't wait to get married. Yun lang. Wala, kahit nga hindi naman kailangan na ganito ka bongga, ganito ka garbo yung kasal. I just can't wait to get married kay Sid.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan.
So, Isid and Joyce, no? Nung sinabi niyo sa amin dalawa ni Father Ken na kaming dalawa ang magpipreside sa pag-iisang dibdib ninyo, then naalaala ko nung kami kinuha ng crash course sa CFAM, Center for Family Ministries dun sa Ateneo, at mayroong isang Dominican priest na nagkaroon ng sharing regarding po sa family life. At sinimulan niya ito sa kasal na ang sabi niya na ang pinakamahalaga, ang pinakamaganda na dapat pagtuunan ng pansin at pahahalagahan at paghahandaan ng bawat ikakasal ay ang biyaya ng sakramento ng matrimonyo. Yes, it is a spiritual reality. It cannot be seen with these ordinary eyes. We need the eyes of our faith in order to see the beautiful face of this occasion at tatanggapin na Isid and Joyce the grace of the sacrament of matrimony.
Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian.
Almost 10 years. How did we get here again? Nagpapasalamat pa rin ako kasi nakita ko yung reply mo na yon kay B nung araw na yon sa tribunal. That opened the door for us na magkakilala ulit, magkausap, maging magkaibigan ulit.
Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Ikaw pa rin. Oh, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw lang ang uuwian.
O, tama na. Okay, thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Isid Chong.
Nagsimula tayo sa paglilingkod, mabalik tayo dahil gusto nating maglingkod. I really believe that God works in mysterious ways and He gives you more than what you want. He gives you what you need. Kasi ngayong araw na to napatunayan ko na worth it lahat ng taong pinilingkod ko sa simbahan ng buong buo. Yung effort, yung pagbibigay ng sarili sa Kanya. Kasi ikaw, yung reward ko.
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata.
Hi, B. That was how you used to call me. All smiles, harmless and playful. 13 years ago, it was probably around this time as well. We were tired and sweaty as we were preparing for the Via Crucis. But you smelled good. I remember you smelled good. I never thought I would find myself swooning over that same smile and scent 3 years after. "10 years, love. 10 years. Finally. It was never easy, but every away, every tampuhan, every eye roll were all worth it. It all led us here today. Thank you for the love and security in that 10 years.
Salamat. Salamat kasi inimbitahan mo ako sa kasal mo. Salamat. Salamat kasi pumayag kang magpakasal sa akin. Salamat kasi tinatanggap mo ako ng paulit-ulit.
Civil wedding lang dapat kasi may main wedding pa tayo sa 2028 and it blew up 4 times the original plan, but I never once heard you complain. Never. I vow to always speak with you with kindness. To always choose na okay tayo over any arguments. I vow to be the 80% when you're only at 20. To always fill whatever you're lacking. I vow to always protect you, us, and the life we're building. And as I have told you before, you may not be my first love, but you are the love that made all the others irrelevant. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal ka namin ni Gucci. Palagi.